Welcome back, YouTube. This is episode 1 of Cars and Friends, and this is gonna be a good one. Hold on, y'all. We got Tay Holmes. Talk to him, people.
It's Tay. Got a 2020 CLS 450.
You got what, sir?
2020 CLS 450.
Okay.
Pretty cool vehicle, you know. Nice little vehicle. Gets the job done. Gets the job done for sure. Females love it. Everybody.
You said the females love it. This is a nice vehicle. God.
Everybody
okay.
love it. You know?
I see you got the lights right here.
Yes, sir. Got the lights on the bottom. Got everywhere. You know. The bags. Does the job. Does the job for sure. Does the job.
Is this a wrap or this is factory?
Factory.
Oh yeah, this is nice.
You know, girls love it for the dates.
You said the girls love it? Oh man, you ladies, man, huh?
You know, man. They in the spaceship when they in there, man. They think they in the spaceship.
You said they in the spaceship? Jesus Christ. So what's this right here? What is it, a clock? Oh man, that's nice.
Clock. You know, you got your music jamming, you know, for the Instagram. Get everything moving.
So you know you can change the colors in here?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, you gotta show me, man. I don't even know how to work it.
You got 3 different ways you can change.
Oh, come on, show me. You got massage sheets too? Come here, where you at? Here you go. Don't be shy now, brother. You gotta show the people. So what are these, 5%?
5%. The tint dark with the light, the watch light.
Oh, let us see the watch. Come on.
You know, AP. You know,
Okay, Shador.
cool, man.
Woo. Hey.
You know what I'm saying?
I got the key right here. Yeah. All right, show us how the lights change and stuff, man.
So light change. First of all, matter of fact, we got 3 different options we can use.
Okay.
3 different options we can use. You got that right. Huh? Yeah, you got 3 different options you can use. You got sport, classic, aggressive. You know, change it up.
Yeah, I don't like
views,
that one.
Different views. You don't like that one? You know, just the classic. Just
Classical.
like that. You know, I don't like that either.
Mode?
Then when you go sport.
Yeah,
you know,
sport for the win. Sport for the win for sure.
For sure. You know, the females, everybody loves sport. You know, get everything done.
Is there anything you hate about the car, you love about the car?
It don't go 220 is what I hate.
You said it don't go 220?
It don't go 220. But I'm getting a new vehicle in probably like 3 months, so we had something new.
Okay, but look, we're gonna come sit inside the car and then we can chop it up some more.
Alright, come on.
So from what I know about the car, this is a 2020 CLS 450. And this is this is a beauty. Got the all black. Got the AMG rims. That's a beauty right there. Yeah, let's come check in the inside. And I like with all Mercedes, they all give that big body look. And of course, you got the floor light. This is an AMG, but it still gets the job done. I had to get my own little review. This is a nice one. Let's get inside, guys. And then, as you guys can see, it has the AMG, the Mercedes clock right there. Then it has the dual screen with the nice steering wheel. It has this. And then let's get the rear of the vehicle. Let me have my boy tag so you guys don't see. And then let's get down angle. So you guys can see. This is a nice one. So why did you pick the CLS? What, 450, right?
Yeah, CLS 450. So originally I had a 2020 E350.
Okay.
Fresh off the lot, but it started messing up. Like a day after I got it, so I went back to the dealership, and this was here. Had a better interior. It was beautiful, so I had to go grab it.
Now this is very nice. I really like this whole spec, and I like how you got black and it's blacked out. Then you took the emblems off. This is very perfect. Like, this is a good car.
I appreciate it,
so,
for sure.
What did you have any other? What got you onto Mercedes? Like, why Mercedes?
Growing up, I always wanted Benz. Never wanted Beamer, never.
No, I was never into BMWs neither. I feel like this is my personal take. I felt like all the old dope boys and just like, even from movies, like a Mercedes is timeless. You know what I'm saying?
Mercedes, yeah, it's perfect.
Like when BMWs are just like, you know, I feel like those are like more like, that's a more up north New York type of thing. But yeah, I feel like down south, like dope boy 95 Air Max, you gotta have a Mercedes. Like I feel like a Mercedes is just timeless and it just takes you into like
Benz, man.
Another world. So what else could we? Let's see. So like, what do you do for a living to even afford something like this?
Well, I sports bet. That's how I got it.
Okay, so what's betting?
Sports betting, getting it done, and I'm a boxer coach.
Okay, so you can fight.
For sure.
Can't fight, man. Can't fight.
For sure.
I give somebody 500, rough them up.
Man, that's the easiest 500 I get. Set it up.
So okay, so what's your dream car? If this is not your dream car already.
Dream car is actually not a Benz, but if I do stay Benz, probably a Maybach.
Oh yeah, which one?
Maybach truck.
The Maybach truck. I think the Maybach trucks are nice too. I like how they bounce and stuff like that.
See,
go ahead.
My dream car is definitely a Lamb truck though.
A Lamb truck?
Yes, sir.
Any particular color?
Red.
Nah, the reds be hard. Like them red Lamb trucks, they be looking crazy, bro. Yeah. That or the Maybach truck, they both are like hard as fuck. Like you can't go wrong with either one.
Red Lamb chop gonna go crazy though.
Like nah, like so, like what's the like? How much does it cost for gas and stuff? Like is gas like reasonable in one of these?
Gas is high, so I'm coming from an Infinity, so I could put 40 to fill it up. Now it's take about 120. 120?
Yeah. 120 isn't that bad. I mean, you pay for what you play for. You know what I'm saying? So
you're right.
It isn't that bad to have. So I feel like if like you guys and you guys who's watching in the comments, if you're thinking about getting a CLS 450 or Mercedes, just know the gas prices could be up there a little bit. Like what about maintenance, like oil changes and stuff like that?
It's fair. You know, you're playing with bands, so it's a good amount, about $400 or $500 for the services.
Ain't that bad.
Pretty good.
Ain't that bad. So look, if you guys want to be a sports bettor, let's give them a motivational speech. Like let's see if you can inspire someone that wants to be able to do or be able to be in position to get a CLS 450 or Mercedes. So give them just give them a motivational speech for a second.
Well, to be honest, for real, I would tell you don't sports bet, get a job. Get a job and stay down, and you can get it. You get it quicker, unless you're just lucky, and I'm just lucky. So hey.
Hey man, them parlays be cooking me, man. I lose the motherfuckers.
Single bet or two-legger, man. You get it done.
Man.
Get it done.
That sports.
You're always gonna lose by 1, 5 or more probably.
Man, I remember the time I bet it was an LSU game and I won, and I thought I could go double back and I lost. Lost it all.
And more.
Then
That's
I
how I go.
Stupid. Like
that's why I say stay away from gambling.
So what about the boxing expert? Like, you got any? What about some up and coming fighters that? What could you get? What kind of advice could you give them?
Yeah, got some up and coming fighters. You gotta stay in the gym.
Okay.
I know it's gonna sound crazy, but you stay away from the parties, the liquor, especially the girls.
Away.
When it's fight time, and get it done. Cause by the time you're 20, you could be rich.
Them girls is no good.
They gonna go on to the next one. So, you know, it is what it is. For sure.
Okay, guys. So, I thank you for coming out and showing us the vehicle.
No, anytime,
this is
man.
episode 1 of Cars and Friends, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
For sure.
This last segment is our personal motivational speech for you guys out there. And Tay, let's go.
What I tell everybody is don't ever give up. Just do what you gotta do. Cause tomorrow could be the day you win. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, I'm in the Benz and I could do better, but where I started from, I never think I'd be here for real, honestly. Like, I just stayed down, kept working, never gave up. Even on hard days, it's gonna be a lot of hard days. It's gonna be good days, but there's gonna be more probably hard days, but you gotta keep going for sure. Like, I used to be walking to work, I had a job, now sports bet, I get everything done, I'm living good. Everybody good around me, man. So, just do what you gotta do and you're gonna win.